Hey everyone, it is Mom Hack Monday and I am here to share with you an awesome recipe for no itch spray. This is perfect as your kiddos are starting to go back to school because you definitely don't want the itch this year, right? If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. So it is a hairspray. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a 4-ounce bottle. I've already put some water in it. You're gonna need peppermint, lavender, tea tree, and rosemary, okay? So you're gonna add 10 drops of each, peppermint, lavender, tea tree, and rosemary. So we're gonna grab rosemary here, and I'm gonna add 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, might have added 11, but 10 of each. Then after you've added 10 of peppermint, lavender, rosemary, and tea tree, you're going to add water. Okay, and then I always add a squirt of witch hazel to help combine the oils and the water together. You're gonna give a quick spray. So what you'll do is you'll put the lid on it, you'll give it a good shake, you'll pop it off, and you'll do a quick spray. You'll spray their hair and you'll spray their backpack, okay? Very important. Now, while I can't make any claims for sure, we did not have any issues last year. So Allie and Aiden will definitely be using this every morning. Hair, book bags. You can always pull up your hair, do a quick spray, spray the book bags. All right, that is your mom hack for Monday. Have a great day. Bye.